Okay, so this is my cousin Andre's reaction to the very whatever you want to call it video of two girls, one cup. Let's do this.
Okay.
I'm not gonna watch. You can watch.
Alright.
Yeah, let's do
I will laugh.
this. Oh.
Where are these bitches? That's her doo doo. That shit was dumb funny.
Oh, video over. I don't know why he laughed. That is sick and wrong. Anybody else who's seen it, I don't know. You can watch it yourself. Have fun. I don't recommend it. But this fool, he's retarded, so I don't know. Um.
Wow.
Okay. Reaction video. We're done. Goodbye. I'm sorry. Bye. Peace. Have fun again.